Hey, what's up guys? Today we are going to review a pre-workout. This is a bargain brand. I believe MuscleTech makes 6-Star. This is called 6-Star Pre-Workout Explosion. So just some stats on this. It has 0 calories. It's the main ingredient in it is beta-alanine. And it is from the research I've done, it's an effective dose, 3 grams of beta-alanine per every 2 scoops. So we'll try 2 scoops. Now I haven't had a pre-workout in several months, so this should be pretty accurate when it comes to the performance, how well it worked during my workout. Let's see, in addition to the beta-alanine, it has 3 grams of creatine. And the only other thing I would look for in a pre-workout is citrulline malate, and it has that, but it's in a proprietary blend, so you don't know exactly how much is in it, so most likely it's not really an effective dose. By the way, this was only $15. Bought that at Walmart. Of course, the scoop is buried in the bottom. Okay. Here is fruit punch. See how it tastes. It's good. It's really sour. Kind of chalky. Otherwise, pretty good flavor to it. I'm gonna finish this. Wait about 15 minutes probably, get into my workout. Alright guys, so it's actually the next day. I'm gonna let you know how this worked overall. During the workout I had pretty good energy. I didn't notice much of a difference in the pump or blood flow, but the energy was really good. I didn't crash afterwards. I had a full day after that, went to work, and I never really had a bad crash from it or anything. Like I said, it could have more citrulline, but other than that, I'm happy with the energy it gave me, and I'd recommend it if you're looking to save money. This is Pre-Workout Explosion by 6-Star. Let me know if you guys want to see more reviews of supplements on the channel, and I will be happy to do that. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe.